Hey everyone, today we're going to be making our own electrolyte drink. Now you can call it an endurance drink or a sports drink, whatever you choose to call it, that's fine. But all we really need are 5 simple ingredients that you can find at just about any health food store. And it's really simple to make. It doesn't take a lot of time. It's very cost effective. This comes to be about 60 cents per serving, and it's also very easy on your stomach. And that's really the big reason why I started experimenting with making my own electrolyte drink. Because I've tried so many different brands and so many different flavors and so many different products, but I've never been able to find one that didn't upset my stomach after 2 or 3 times using it. I've been doing this for about 9 months and this has worked out really good for me. I haven't had any stomach issues, and again, it's really cost effective. So I want to share with you my sports drink. This works for me. I'm not saying it's going to work for everybody, but I found this to be really good for me, and hopefully it's good for you and saves you some money. So the 5 things that you're going to need are, first, water. The second is going to be some type of juice, and I prefer an organic juice. I really like the Santa Cruz brand lately. This is the blueberry lemonade. Tastes fantastic. This one has 23 carbohydrates per 8 ounces. Again, it tastes good. It's got just enough sugar, but not too much sugar, so I like that brand. The third thing that you're going to need is some sodium or salt. I like to use the pink Himalayan salt. Stay away from the table salt, just that iodized stuff. Try to get the brand that's called real salt, pink Himalayan stuff. Salt that actually has the minerals in it that it's supposed to have. So on these next 2 items, you're going to want to make sure that you buy the capsules and not the tablets or anything like that, because you want to be able to break open the capsules to pour the contents into your bottle. And the next thing that you're going to need is some potassium. So this is the potassium citrate. It's 99 milligrams, so it's like 2% of your daily value. And I just use 1 capsule per bottle. This will get you 100 servings. This was only $5. So again, very cheap, and it will make you a lot of sports drinks. So the last one that you're going to need is this Cal-Mag supplement. This is a combination of calcium and magnesium, and the serving suggestion is 4 capsules on this, but I just use 1 capsule per bottle. So this also comes with 100 capsules. So between these 2, you can get 100 bottles of sports drinks for under $10. So when you do all the math between the cost of the juice, the salt, and the capsules, it comes anywhere between 50 and 60 cents per serving, depending on the type of juice that you buy. But this is all that you need to make a really good sports drink, from what I found anyways in testing this for the past 9 months. Now I'll just walk you through how I make it. I basically just take a water bottle and fill it half full with water, and then I'll just top it off with some of this juice. Now with the sodium, I don't go too crazy with it. Let's face it, most Americans have way too much sodium in their diet anyways. But I just kind of grind up a little bit of sodium in there, a little bit of salt. Again, not going crazy with it. And then with these capsules, you break it apart and you dump the potassium in there. With the Cal-Mag, it's the same thing. You just use 1 of each. And then you shake it up and you're good to go. This works for me. I hope it works for you. Give it a try. If you try it, leave a comment down below and let me know how it works for you. Or if you have a product that you've been using that you really love, that doesn't upset your stomach and isn't super crazy expensive, let me know about that too, because I'm open to trying other things as well. I don't have to necessarily always go with this. If you guys found this useful, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a lot. You can click that bell notification to make sure that you get all the new videos when they come out. And if you have a friend who is into cycling or into some other sports, make sure you share this video with them. Pass it along. Hopefully this information helps some people out there. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. We'll see you next time. So good.